On today's menu, a delicious and easy recipe that's not meaty okra. Delicious okra tomato stir fry. Lehoma, I'm Yeung from YoungMenCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is really tasty, really simple to make. All you need are a few humble ingredients like this amazing okra. Let's begin. Slice and have about a quarter pound of okra. Two pieces of garlic, finely chopped. Slice a small red onion in half and quarter the halves. These are one of my favorite heirloom cherry tomatoes, just visually stunning. And of course, you don't have to use these ones. You can use whatever tomatoes you have on hand. It'll still turn out really well. Slice and have about a quarter pound of cherry tomatoes. Right, so I receive a lot of inquiries on the type of knife that I use on the cooking show here on YouTube. And so this is the Zwilling Pro Chef knife. It's from their Pro line of knives. Absolutely love this knife. This episode is not sponsored by Zwilling. Maybe one day. I did buy this knife with my own money, and that's why I always keep plugging the cookbooks. The thing about shopping for a new knife is that all new knives will come in the mail very, very sharp. The thing that you can't really change about a knife is the ergonomics, and that's what's most important for me. So when shopping for a new knife, definitely pick it up, hold it. It needs to feel comfortable, it needs to feel natural because you'll be using this. There's a couple of things I look for in a knife, and one of them is a full tang, which means that the entire knife is one piece all the way to the handle, which you can see here. And the other distinctive factor about this knife that I really like personally, and as I said, just because I like it doesn't mean it's going to be something for everyone. But this is something that I like, is that it actually has a little bit of a groove here from the blade. It just kind of melds into the handle, and that's where I put my fingers. And it feels, for me, very, very comfortable. You can save this chickpea water or aquafaba to make a delicious mayonnaise. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check that out. Half a cup chickpeas. Non-stick pan. Medium heat. Drizzle of olive oil. Onions. Chickpeas. Season with salt and pepper. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Okra. Garlic. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Tomatoes, Season with salt and pepper. Saute for another couple of minutes. Half cup veggie stock. Saute for another minute. Cover and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Plate. Squeeze over some fresh lemon juice and serve. You can now enjoy this delicious okra and tomato stir fry with absolute confidence. That is seriously too pretty to eat, but that is going to be really, really tasty. That is just delightful. So delicious. Visually, this is just stunning with all those amazing, beautiful colors, the purple, the green, that sunshine red and orange and yellow. This really is a plate that is like a work of art. The flavors are simple, humble, yet has that little bit of complexity from the delicious, bright lemon juice and the natural acidity from the tomatoes. You get that sweetness, a little bit of a tanginess, but because we sauteed it, you also get that kind of caramelized flavor. The onions gives it that extra punch of flavor, and the veggie stock kind of just reduces and turns into a little bit of a sauce that gets absorbed with all these vegetables. The okra has that delicious al dente kind of bite to it. Super tender, super tasty. The seeds inside the okra is kind of my favorite part. It gives that extra bit of crunchiness, and you get that bit of pepperiness from the fresh cracked pepper. Really just simple, humble ingredients brought to a beautiful level. The chickpeas add that extra meaty texture and really substantiates this dish. You can add any other veggies you like and it would still just be as delicious and visually stunning. I just love the contrast in textures. You get that crunchiness from the okra seeds, the tender okra, and you get that melt in your mouth type of incredible flavor from the sauteed tomatoes. So easy to put together, incredibly colorful, absolutely love it. I cannot get over how colorful this dish is. It really just makes you smile. Absolutely love it. And if you love easy, delicious, and beautiful recipes like that, then definitely check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook and the Cook with Confidence Cookbook. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check these out, get your signed copy, or take a sneak peek inside the book. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.